dreamed of becoming something other than what society had intended? What if a child aspired to something greater?
My son was in the bus. He saw what Clark did.
People are afraid of what they don't understand. It's not from this world, Clark. And neither are you. There's so many Christians. Where do we come from? You just have to decide what kind of man you want to grow up to be, Clark. Whoever that man is, good character or bad, it's going to change the world.
My father believed that if the world found out where